Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this curly stem paint by line pumpkin. This is a part of our paint kit selection. Every paint kit you will receive a paint by line cutout of your choice in size, assorted paint colors that I have chosen for the cutout, a pack of 10 brushes, and a Sharpie brush stroke marker. I'm going in, of course, first with the color orange, and I'm just base coating the pumpkin. I will be going in and doing a second coat with this orange, but it's also just going to depend on how thick you put your paint on, so just use your own discretion when it comes to that. Next, I'm going in with a little bit of brown, and I'm going to paint the stem. After that, I'm going to go in with the dark green color provided and paint the leaf and the vines. I just stuck with the traditional fall pumpkin colors for this pumpkin cutout because I still really love traditional, and I've kind of brought in some fun colors with some of my other options that I've given you guys, so I wanted to keep something more traditional for you as well. Now I've just let everything dry for the majority. It's not completely dry, but mostly dry. And I'm going in with a medium-sized round brush and some chocolate brown paint. And I'm just going to kind of highlight over where the lines are etched into the cutout. I would typically be going in and doing like a detail with my Sharpie brush stroke marker, but I wanted to keep this more soft looking, so I'm just using a paintbrush and highlighting it. I also went in with a little bit of the tan and highlighted it as well as did kind of like a shading on the stem. And then I let everything dry completely, and I'm going in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker, and I'm just doing the detailing on the leaves. And I'll also just be doing a little bit of detailing on the stem just to kind of accent it and make it look more realistic. And then after that, you guys, I'm done. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, enjoy these paint kits, and have a wonderful day.